Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students of class 7th, I am Sadia Kuyum, your English teacher, again taking up your English class about short stories portion, and the chapter occupies number first in your textbook. The name of the chapter is Three Questions. Let me give you a brief introduction of the chapter. The Three Questions is a short story by the author Leo Tolstoy. The story takes the form of a parable, and it concerns a king that wants to find the answers to what he considers the three most important questions in life. The thought came to a certain king that he would never fail if he knew three things. These three things were: what is the best time to do each thing, who are the most important people to work with, what is the most important thing to do at all times. Many educated men attempted to answer the king's questions, but they all came with different answers. The king was not satisfied by the answer, so he decided to seek the help of a hermit who lived in a nearby village. This was a brief introduction of the lesson. Let me give you the explanation of the lesson. Here I go. A certain king wanted to know the answers to his three questions. What is the right time to begin something? Which people should he listen to? What is the most important thing for him to do? He promised to give a large sum of money to anyone who would answer his questions. Many wise men answered his questions differently. Some wise men suggested that the king must prepare a timetable and follow it strictly. Some called it impossible to decide beforehand the right time to do a thing. Someone suggested that he needed a council of wise men to help him. Someone asked him to consult magicians. In answer to the second question, the wise man said that his counselors, the priests, doctors, or his soldiers, are the most necessary people to the king. And the wise people, in answer to the third question, said that science, fighting, and religious worship are most important things to do. The king was not satisfied with all the answers, so he did not reward anybody. Then he decided to go to a hermit in the forest to seek his advice. The hermit met only simple people. Therefore, the king dressed himself in simple clothes. Leaving his horse and bodyguard away, he went to the hermit. The old and weak hermit was digging the ground in front of his hut. The king went near him. He asked the answers to his three questions. Without speaking a word in reply, the hermit resumed his work. Then the king took his spade and began digging. The hermit took rest. The king got tired soon. Then he repeated his questions. The hermit only spoke, "Now you may rest and let me work." But the king kept digging till sunset. Then he stuck his spade in the ground. He repeated his questions for the third time. Someone came running just then. It was a bearded man. He was a bearded man who was coming towards them. He was pressing his stomach with his hands. Blood was flowing from his stomach. He fell unconscious on the ground. The king washed the large wound in his stomach and covered it with his handkerchief. His bleeding stopped. The king offered him fresh water to drink. They laid him on the bed in the hermit's hut. It was sunset. The wounded person lay quiet. The tired king also slept on the floor. They woke up in the morning. The bearded man begged the king's forgiveness. He told the king, Amun Badshahs, he had come there to avenge on the king for killing his brother and capturing his property. Em kya won emis बादशाह दोनस बो से आमुत मारन खतर कैज कि अख ओसी से मियोन बोय मोरमुत बे ओसी से पत सय प्रॉपर्टी ते हड़पमज मतलब निमज जबत करमज छीनमज अस निश. He had hidden somewhere to kill the king on his way home. As the king did not return by sunset, he came out of his hiding. The king's bodyguards recognized him and wounded him. He told the king that he had saved his life by dressing his wound. The king forgave him and promised to return his property. The king also sent his servants and doctors to look after the wounded. The hermit was sowing seeds in the beds dug by him the day before. He begged the hermit to answer his questions. The hermit told the king if he had returned the previous evening, the bearded man would have killed him. Then he would have wished why he had not stayed with the hermit. The time of digging the beds and dressing the bearded person were the most important time for him. The hermit and the wounded person whom the king was serving were the most important persons. In the same way, helping the hermit and the bearded person were the most important business for him. त्रे जवाब अम सिंदन त्रेन क्वेश्चनन. करो इस इख्तिताम तो बिहु खुदायस हवाल. अस्सलाम अलैकुम.